Edmonton's summer market is cooling off, but not in the way you think. We've got more homes hitting the market, prices holding steady in some areas and dropping in other, and opportunities for both buyers and sellers if you know where to look. I'm breaking down exactly what's happening, what it means for you, and how you can use it to your advantage right now. Let's start with the big picture. In July, the Greater Edmonton area sold 2,860 properties. That's basically flat compared to June, down just 0.5%. But here's where it gets interesting. New listings jumped almost 8% month over month and a whopping 20% higher than last year. That means one thing: more choice for buyers, but also more competition for sellers. Inventory is now sitting at 7,083 homes. That's up 4.7% from last month and over 21% more than last year. So yes, buyers have the upper hand in terms of selection right now. Now, let's talk about prices. Overall, the average residential price dipped just 0.4% from June to $463,078, still 5.2% higher than this time last year. The benchmark price, which smooths out the ups and downs, sits at $427,800, down 2.7% from last month, but again, up 5.2% from last year. So if you're wondering, is the market crashing? The answer is no. This is more like a seasonal cool down as summer winds down, not a collapse. Let's zoom in by property type because this is where strategy matters. Detached homes, prices actually went up 0.7% this month to $578,442 and are up nearly 5% year over year. New listings jumped 3% from June and almost 20% from last year. If you're selling a detached home, buyers are still paying top dollar. But remember, you've got more competition now. Semi-detached, prices slipped 2.1% to $430,813, but they're still almost 6% higher than last year. Sales are slightly down and new listings have surged 34% more than last July. Translation: buyers here have room to negotiate. Townhomes, this segment slowed the most. Prices dropped 4.1% to $296,785, with sales down over 6% year over year. Lots of new listings here, 21% more than last year, so sellers will need to stand out. Apartment condos, surprisingly, this was the bright spot. Sales climbed 3.5% from June, and prices are 2.6% higher than last year, sitting at $209,711. If you're an investor, condos are showing some resilience in a cooling summer market. So here's the reality check. Buyers, you've got choices. Inventory is up, sellers are motivated, and interest rates aren't as scary as they were a year ago. This is your window to shop smart and negotiate. Sellers, you can still get strong prices, but presentation and pricing strategy are everything. That first impression, online and in person, can make or break your sale. Investors, watch the condo and semi-detached markets. Opportunity is there if you can spot undervalued properties and think long-term. The market isn't dead, it's just shifting. And in a shifting market, knowledge is power. If you want tailored advice on how to buy, sell, or invest in Edmonton right now, reach out. Let's make your next move the right one.